Hello, friends. Happy Monday. I just thought I would stop by for a real quick video. First and foremost, to say thank you so much for all the support that everyone and kindness that everyone has shown me as I go journey into doing lives here on YouTube. It's very intimidating to me and kind of scary doing it all by myself. A huge thank you to Crafty Al, who has patiently answered all my questions and has been in the chat to help moderate and stuff. Her support means the world to me, but I just really wanted to say thank you. I really had so much fun last night doing the live after the nerves kind of went away. So I'm excited to maybe start doing them a little bit more regular. Again, if you watched the live, which I will link in the description box below in case you missed it, you could catch the replay. I won't be doing a ton until after my trip to Schaumburg, which is like the 8th of August, I think, for the Scrapbook Expo. But when I get back from that, I'm hoping to go live at least once a week, if not once every 2 weeks. I'm going to try to get on a consistent schedule. But again, just a huge thank you, and really your kindness and support means the world to me. I just thought I would stop back by and show the finished card because pictures don't always show it the best. So you can see that touch of gloss by Pink and Main that I used. And even the camera's not really picking it up, but it just looks like glasses. And even we did it on the cup there, and it's all shiny. And then I did add some mirror gems from Gina Marie Designs. And again, if you missed it, there's the inside. So, like I said, I just wanted to stop by because pictures don't always capture that shine. It's just so neat. I used to only use glossy accents, but it kept getting clogged on me. I really like the Pink and Main touch of gloss. It seems to like level out a little bit better, and it dries without bubbles most of the time. Once in a while I get bubbles, but not very often. So, and if you missed it, these were from the Scrappy Boy Stamps Santa's Workshop stamp set and the Santa's Workshop paper. So, everything will be linked in the description box below, like last night's live. I will list the products again in case you want to go shopping. I'm always all about the shopping. And until my next video, which I'm expecting a delivery today from Sunny Studios. And I don't know, I really am liking their stuff. So I might do a little haul video. I haven't done a haul video in a while. So anyways, have a great day. Go do something for yourself and go get crafty. Bye.